Good morning, kumars. Gawa tayo ng beef and mushroom. So, meron akong butter and mantika. Lagay ko itong sibuyas. Okay, sabay ko itong bawang. Okay, after that, lagay ko na itong beef. Lagyan natin ng paminta and then asin. Okay, lagyan natin ng tubig na may oyster sauce. Add more oyster sauce. Okay, palambutin muna natin. Okay, yun na. Then, lagay natin yung ating mushroom. Hindi lang natin malapit. Mushroom and beef. You can put a garlic, toasted garlic to be